Hey guys, I want to show you these knives that I found out about because our kids are in Montessori, and this is a very practical life skill that kids can actually start learning whenever they're showing a desire to try. These are knives that are made of plastic. These are by Zulay. I've had these for years. I'm sharing them here today because not only are they great for kids, but I find myself reaching for them routinely, especially when I'm using a cutting board that I don't want to damage, like this one here. Because regular stainless steel or other metal knives, can easily put marks into your nice woods. So let me show you what they're all about. The pack comes with 3 sizes that are all nice and grippy. This is a very rubberized, easy to handle for a child. The blade itself, also made of plastic. I'll show you up close. Again, I've had these for years, so they do show some wear and tear. Remarkably, these still work fantastically. They're dishwasher safe. Let's start chopping. Start with the kiwi, baby knife. Little saw action back and forth. Voila, perfect slices. And something about this design really encourages kids to get to know that sawing back and forth motion that they need to practice. Next up, let's use the medium knife. Boom, so easy. Nice clean cuts. Basic kitchen prep, no problem. Doing some chopping, let your kid help out. They're gonna be happy, you're gonna be proud and less worried. All right. Let's do big limey. See? Not bad for a plastic knife, am I right? These are great to have around whether you have kids or not. If you're into Montessori or your kids are in Montessori, they're probably going to be using these or something like them in their work at school. So great to have a set of these at home. These are the kids' kitchen knives from Zulay, and I hope this was helpful.